Hi, and welcome to Baker Affair. I'm Pika, and on today's episode, we're going to be making cocoa brownies. And I'm not a real huge chocolate brownie person, but when I'm in the mood for a chocolate brownie, I want it to be really delicious. And these are really super easy and really super delicious. So let's get started. You're going to need, the recipe calls for 10 tablespoons of unsalted butter, which usually I have on hand, so that's good. And I'm going to melt it on the stove. And then one cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, a teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs cold, a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and then about a cup of anything you want, like chopped walnuts, or what I was saying, or it could be anything. Like I'm even thinking, how good would it be with like blueberries? Like, you know how they have those candies that are like chocolate covered blueberries? Could you imagine having a blueberry in a brownie? I don't know, right? But I just told you I'm going to be making it with chopped walnuts, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. And it all starts on the stove first because I have to melt the butter. So come on over. We're going to melt the butter first on a medium heat. It's got to melt. Now that butter is melted, you have to let it sit and cool for about 10 minutes. Sometimes I do this little trick. I take one of these gel packs and I stick it under here just to cool it down faster. See what I do? I stick it, and then once it gets warm, I go like that because I have absolutely no patience. I literally have no patience. I want everything done like right now. And then I just kind of feel the pot, see if it's getting cooled off, because just what I do. I used to be a soap maker, and many years ago I used to sell soap. I used to make cold process soap, and whenever I needed to cool something down, sometimes I just do this real quick. If I had a lye solution, I'd hurry up and just put it on a ice pack and just kind of make it go faster, because I have no patience at all. And just when it starts to get where you can go like that, before the butter starts to like, you don't want to scramble the eggs, so that's key factor. You don't want to scramble them. Okay, that's good enough. And then I just stick this back in the freezer. Back in the freezer. And now I'm going to take 2 eggs. And add it to this mixture. One at a time. You're going to beat it in. And I should also say that this is going to all be done in like one pot. Okay, that's that. And now, I feel like I'm missing something. I'm just gonna kind of add everything else. And you just stir it until it's well blended. Don't forget the salt, because I'm great at forgetting things. And the vanilla. I'm notorious for forgetting vanilla. Notorious for forgetting vanilla. This looks so good. I wish you could like smell it. It smells so good. And then I'm just gonna add, you want it to look kind of glossy, where it's sort of like, I don't know if you can see that. It's like, it looks like you could just stick your finger in it and eat it. That's what I do anyway. And then I'm gonna stick my nuts in. Stir it around. Now you could add more of those or less. Now, if somebody taught me this, and you've probably seen it all around, but I was very late in the game. You take parchment paper and you crinkle it real tight. You open it up like that, and then you re-crinkle it real tight. And now you don't have to worry about cutting anything, because it's going to mold into whatever shape you're doing. It's like a game changer for me. I did not know this. I mean, it's still kind of whatever, but it's better like that, because once I stick this on there, it's gonna go down anyway. Now you don't have to use parchment paper. You can butter and flour, so you get that like crispy edge. You know what I mean? Me, I don't really care. I'm okay with this, because sometimes when I'm in the mood for a brownie, I don't know, I just want a brownie. Okay, so I'm right in your face. You can't even see what I'm doing. Okay. With my clean hands. And then just spread it around. Making a mess. Whenever I make like chocolate or anything like that, I always make a mess. Get it all over me, get it all over everything. Is that just me? Or is it everybody? I don't know. If it's just me, I don't know. Do you do that? Leave a comment below. If you do. Do you? Leave it below. Let me know. Let me know. As you can tell, I'm still learning this lighting system. Hopefully one day I will get there. Right now, this is in here. It's all ready to go into the oven. It's gonna go into the oven at 325 for about 20-30 minutes. You gotta check it, you know, with the toothpick. And then I'll put it in the oven right now. And we'll be back when it's out. Okay, so I'm back and they're done. And here's what they look like. They're ooey and gooey and just delicious. And you know me, it's still warm and I need to try it. These are so chocolatey. Like, these are not like the absolute best, but these are, if you're dying for a brownie and you have all these ingredients in your house, make them because they are that good. I mean, they're just delicious. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, and share if you'd like. And let me know, how do you think this lighting is going? I'm still working on it, and I know it's not the greatest, and I'm really working on it. It's so hard to do it, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna figure it out with what I have to work with. And oh, I didn't show you. Let me show you. This is what they look like when they come out of the oven. They're so delicious. I hope you try it. And until next time, ciao.